Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Welcome back to episode 5 of Self-Care Sunday DIY Reflexology with your host, me and Tootsie. I'm Suzanne Chilton. I am a registered foot reflexologist in North Vancouver, BC, and I have a mobile practice, but I love jumping on here and helping you guys with some tips about how to do some reflexology on your feet, help reduce stress, reduce tension, make you feel really good, and bring about overall wellness to your body. So today's episode is 5, so we're going to work on the chest area today. So just to recap, your whole body is represented in your feet, and this isn't just like hoodoo voodoo kind of stuff. So it's science-based. We have reflexes, just like if the doctor hits your knee and your knee moves, your leg moves automatically, it's a reflex, it's automatic. So we have these little reflexes in our feet, and when we activate them, that actually sends the signal back to that referral area in our body via the spinal cord. So we're dealing with nerves. It's a really great treatment for reducing all that stress that gets caught up in our nervous system. So today I want to focus on any chest congestion or people that have asthma or people that are smokers, just to help rebalance that area and reduce stress in that area. And if you do have a cold, help break up anything that you have going on in that area. So if we look at the feet, on the ball of the foot here, in the center, right here, actually represents our lungs. So we're going to work on that area. So with the lungs, it's important just to go back and forth to help release everything. So I'm just going to massage the lungs. You can do this on both feet, and please do it on both feet so that it's balanced. But basically you can work this area that is the lungs right in the center here on the ball of the foot. And if you find any spots that are sore, you can just keep working that area. No need to push harder, because lighter is sometimes better. We're working with the body, not against it. We don't have to go crazy and try to kill your feet here. So you're gonna work that area. That's actually gonna help break up anything that's going on in the lungs, and also just help them rejuvenate and heal. So if you work with essential oils as well, I like to use doTERRA's Easy Air, which is a great congestion one. It includes some eucalyptus in it, kind of like a natural Vicks vapor rub. So I like to use that one on that area, and it just helps you breathe better, and yeah, helps reduce any stress and tension in that area. So hope that was helpful for you guys. So let me know what you think in the comments below if you have any questions, and I'm gonna see you next week here for another Self-Care Sunday DIY Reflexology. But before I go, make sure you hop over to my website, www.footgurureflexology.com, and sign up for my newsletter, so to make sure you don't miss any tutorials like this, workshops or promos that I have going on. And in the future, I'm going to have some online courses for you guys, so I'm excited about that. All right, everybody, enjoy your day. Bye.